and the Rangers, all are for their security. Unfortunately, India don't want to see our cricket blooming and charm the people. So, inshallah, up to 6 April, we'll host them. They are our guests, and we'll treat them as a chief with the head of state protocol. And inshallah, this cricket we're going to promote, and the Indian conspiracy which they did during the New Zealand tour is going to be failed, and Pakistani people will enjoy. All the political parties are in the sport of cricket matches, which are going to held up to the 6 April. Thank you very much. A head of state security, which we given to the foreign head of states, all the armed forces, all the rangers, all the police, and people are very happy, and all Pakistani country is united to welcome him, all political parties, and everybody will be here to welcome him, including me. Thank you.